Hello and welcome to another episode of our security camera series. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of surveillance technology, privacy mask. It's all thanks to a feature we have in our Reolink cameras called Privacy Mask. With just a few taps on your smartphone or clicks on your computer, you can define specific zones within the camera's field of view that you want to keep private. First, open the Reolink app and head to the Settings section. Next, select Display to access the Privacy Mask settings. Here, you'll see the live view from your camera. To add a privacy mask, tap on the Privacy Mask option. Now, simply press and drag on the live view to draw a black rectangle over the area you want to keep private. Once you've drawn the mask, tap Save to apply it to your camera settings. If you've ever need to remove a privacy mask, simply select it, tap on the trash icon to delete it. And if you want to remove all privacy masks at once, just press Remove All. Now that you understand the basics of privacy masks, privacy masks appear as rectangular overlays on your camera's live view. Any object or person within this rectangle won't be displayed in the live feed or recorded footage. Now you might be wondering, will I still receive notifications from the areas covered by privacy masks? Well, this is conditional. For PoE or DC Wi-Fi cameras with smart detection feature, motion detection or smart detection won't work in the area covered by the privacy mask. But for battery-powered cameras with smart detection, motion detection still works in the covered area, but smart detection features like person, vehicle, animal will not. Remember, while privacy masks offer unparalleled privacy protection, you'll still be alerted to any activity within the mask areas. In addition, the effectiveness of privacy masks hinges on their alignment with the camera's field of view. So whenever you make adjustments to your camera directions, it's essential to revisit the privacy mask settings and readjust them accordingly. Now also remember, all Reolink cameras support privacy masks. However, with the PTZ cameras, you need to readjust the masking area after pan or tilt. Thank you for watching yet another Reolink video. As usual, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. While you're doing that, don't forget to write a comment down below on what you found useful and what you want to see on our next video. So until our next video, stay safe, stay secure, see you next time.